Hi friends! Welcome back to Untoybox. Today we're going to be opening 10 Yowie Surprise chocolates. We have 5 of the holiday style right here, and then we have 5 of the regular Yowies on the top row. So let's go ahead and open our first Yowie. We're going to start with Nap. I don't know if I'm more excited for what's inside or for the chocolate I'm about to eat. Let's see what's in here. Ooh, that's very cool. It looks like a beaver. Let's see if you can see that. This cool tail. And this says it's a North American beaver. Very cool. Put him there and get our chocolate out of the way. And then we'll open the regular Nap Yowie. Ooh, a bison. Check that guy out. He's 2 different colors, black and brown. Very cool. American bison. Now we'll open Diddy. What do we have? Oh, cool. We got Nap, the Yowie. Isn't he cute? Looks like he's holding his little belly there. Little tail. Cool. Looks like his nickname is the Honey Gum Yowie. Open the other Diddy. So far we have all different ones. That's pretty good. I wonder if we're gonna get any of the same. Well, looks like I spoke too soon. Another American bison. That's okay. There. You guys can hang out up there together. Now we're gonna open Squish. Ooh, I see green feet. We don't have green feet yet. We got Squish. Nope, we got Diddy. Cool. Okay, let's take a look actually. I see a purple mustache and purple hair here. Little purple tail. Diddy, the Lily Pilly Yowie. Okay, 5 more to go. Open the other Squish. Ooh, we have an alpaca. This is a really cute one. Cool. Now it's time to open Nap. What do we have here? An anteater. It's a giant anteater. Look at that. He has this black stripe right here with white on his feet or on his legs. Long snout and big bushy tail. I think he's cute, do you? We'll open the other Nap. Got lots of chocolate here to eat. Ooh, this is another new one. Nope, I was tricked. It's another American bison. Another one, we have 3. We almost have a herd. Maybe 3 is a herd. Okay, let's open this booth. And cross our fingers that it's another figure that we don't have yet. Ooh. Chocolate's falling apart on this one. I see green feet, but I think it's a different one. It is. Do you know what Yowie this is? It's Crag. This says Crag, the mangrove Yowie. Cool. I like how he has his arms crossed. And it looks like 3 teeth sticking out of his mouth. A tail. Cute. One last Yowie. Let's hope it's not another bison. A penguin! Awesome! This is a emperor penguin. Cool. Very cute. Wow. I'd say we got lucky. We got a bunch of different figures here and 3 different Yowies, which is pretty awesome. I don't know about you, but I'm pretty excited to eat some chocolate. Hope you have some to snack on too. Well, that's an unwrap. Don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned for more fun videos. Thanks for watching.